Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your US bank account. Firstly, you need to open up any browser, and I have already opened Google Chrome. Now, over here, just type US Bank and hit enter. Make sure it takes you to the official website of US Bank, www.usebank.com. Just click over here. Now, this is the homepage of US Bank. On the top right of your screen, you can see the login button. Just click over here. Now, here, choose your account type and enter your username over here. If you want to log into this account again on this device, just click on Remember My Username. Similarly, enter your password over here and just click on Show Password if you want to see your password or confirm your password, and then hit the Login button. Then, you'll be able to access your account. In case if you want to create a new account or create a username and password, just click on Create a Username and Password. That's it for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for a review and more content like this. I will see you guys again in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.